This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tomato soup from a packet. Making delicious, warm tomato soup is incredibly simple and quick. You will need just a few basic items: your chosen tomato soup packet, approximately 2 cups of water, and a suitable saucepan. Also, have a whisk or spoon ready to ensure a smooth, lump-free mixture. Let's get started on this comforting meal. Now, let's prepare the soup base. Carefully empty the entire contents of your tomato soup packet into the saucepan. Next, slowly pour in about 2 cups of cold water. It is crucial to whisk the mixture continuously and thoroughly at this stage. This ensures that all the powder dissolves completely, preventing any lumps and creating a perfectly smooth consistency for your soup. Keep whisking until it is uniform. With your soup base mixed, it is time to cook it to perfection. Place the saucepan on your stovetop and set the heat to medium. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, making sure to stir it frequently to prevent sticking. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. This simmering time allows the soup to thicken nicely and develop its full flavor. Your delicious tomato soup is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the hot soup into your favorite serving bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh herbs, a swirl of cream, or a handful of crunchy croutons. Serve it immediately while it is warm and comforting. This quick and easy method provides a satisfying meal in just a few minutes, perfect for any time you crave a classic tomato soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.